Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach a frontal. So this is an updated video and we're going to be learning how to do that. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So I'm also going to be sharing with you guys the products I use. So this is the olive bleach powder. This is what I usually use when I am working, and here I have the King developer. So I like to use my developer in 12%. So in this video I'm going to explain why I like to use it in 12%. And here I have a spray bottle. So in the spray bottle I have water, so I'm just using this container for my spray bottle. The content in this container is water. So I have my rat tail comb because I'm going to be needing it for today's video. So here I have my mix plate and the mix brush. So I'm going to pour the the powder into the container. So usually I don't have a specific measurement when it comes to mixing my powder and the developer. I just put something I know will be enough for what I'm going to be doing. So then I'm going to be putting my developer into the container. So I told you guys I like to work with 12% because the rate of how it's going to bleach the hair will not be too fast, because for higher percentage you get a higher reactions. For lower percentage you can also get the same reaction, like the same finish work, but the only difference there is going to be the thing is going to like take time. So I like it to just take time and process on its own. So when I'm mixing my bleach powder and the developer, I like to leave it thick. I don't like to do thin when I am bleaching knots, but when I'm coloring hair I like to do, you know, like thin application or thin mixture rather. You guys, the frontal I'll be using in today's video is from Bleach, and it's a 13 by 4 frontal in 18 inches. So I've got a couple of frontal from these guys, and I can say they sell one of the best frontals. So the frontals are Swiss HD frontals, beautifully ventilated, and I like how the hairlines are. They did like single strands, so it really looks natural when you install the frontal. So to order from them you can use my discount code, which I'm going to be leaving in the description below. And also guys, don't forget to check them out, Bluemate on Instagram. I'm also going to leave their Instagram, the link to their Instagram, in the description below, so you guys can go check them out and also order. Up next, I'm going to sprinkle water on the hair so that all the ones flying can, you know, come together. Then I'm going to use my rattle comb to like push everything backwards. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to flip the hair over and start the bleaching process. So right here, I'm going to place my frontal as seen in the video, and then get my mix brush with the powder on it. So then I'm going to carefully apply it on the knot alone. So why I use the word on the knot alone is because I usually don't press my brush when I'm applying it. So I just leave it on the surface, because this is going to oxidize, and by the time you finish oxidizing, if you put too much or if it's too thin, your mixture, I mean, is going to make by the time the what's it called, the bleach oxidizes, is going to penetrate into the strand, and then that's when you now have the overly bleached hair. So in order to avoid that, you don't press it, you just put it on the surface so it can stay there and do the job. So once I'm done with the application, I'm going to get my phone and then set my alarm. So usually I leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So first I'm going to leave it for 15 and then check back later once it's time, and then see if my hair lifted. So if it didn't lift, I'm going to leave it for extra 5 minutes so everything can, come out really good. So then once I'm done, once it's 15 minutes rather, I'm going to wash out the bleach thoroughly because I wouldn't want it to continue to bleach the hair.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful.
So once I'm done washing, I'm going to get my Shimmer Light purple shampoo. So the reason for using a purple shampoo is to take out the brassness from the hair. So we don't want it to have a brown undertone because usually our scalp is not brown. It's kind of pale or even lighter than our skin. So we just want to, mimic all that, just the way we mimic the hairline. So like to we also like to be mimicking the scalp so everything can look more realistic. So now this is what the purple shampoo I usually use look like. So I'm just going to put it on the frontal and then rub it with my hands. So once I'm done with rubbing, I'm going to leave it for 1 minute and then I'm going to come back and then wash out the frontal.
Baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So now I'm going to rinse out the purple shampoo and it's optional to use a conditioner. So sometimes I use a conditioner and sometimes I don't. So it depends on the mood. It doesn't change anything. So that's it.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm.
And this is what the frontal is looking like, as I placed it on my skin. So I think the camera is not giving the actual color. So we're going to switch to my phone right now. So hold on. Yes, please. This is the actual shade. So I'm going to just zoom in a bit so you guys can see it. So this is the outcome with my phone. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you get to do that. And also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends because like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you've always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.